Cauchy integral formula. Fa is equal to 1 by 2 pi I fz z minus a dz. This formula we have to prove. Suppose that this is a circle. See the circle. You can see here. Further, small circle is there, but is C1 inside the this circle C. You can see here that we have to prove that FA means at this point A between the center of circle C1. We have to find the value of integral there at point A, which is inside the C. At this point we have to find. Suppose that R is the radius of a small circle, that is C1, that is between the C. Cauchy integral formula. Let f be any analytic function that is on the path C, and at point A we have to find it. Fa is equal to 1 by 2 pi I fz by z minus a dz. Proof. Let the circle C1 is there, that is inside the closed part C. It can be a circle also. Path C can be any type of path. C1 is we have disposed C circle, and let Z be the any point on the C1. Now suppose that equation is Z minus A is equal to R e the power iota theta. This is a polar form of the radius basically, or radius of circle. Z minus A is the Cartesian coordinates system. And for the circle C1 having radius R, where A is the center, in this way we have to find. Suppose that Z minus A we have supposed. So Z will be equal to A plus R uh, plus e the power iota theta. Or if we differentiate this one, it will be dz r e the power iota theta d theta. R iota e the power theta d theta. Now we know that this is Cauchy integral theorem extension. The meaning of this is that if you find the integral along any path, it can be C or it can be C1 also. The value of integral will be same. This is basically a Cauchy integral theorem, the extension of that. So both the integral will be same, whether the path is different or same, or any other path is there. Now, from the equation 1 and 2, here we are finding for the circle C1. You can see here, because this is a basic integral, 1 by 2 pi I fz z minus a dz. That is right hand side. We have to prove this is equal to left hand side. Now you can see here z is equal to a plus r e the power iota theta, that we have put. Now denominator z minus a left. It means z minus a will be equal to what? R e the power iota theta. And what is the value of dz? This is the value of dz. This is the value of dz. So in this way, we will try to see. You can see here 1 by 2 pi I integral path C1 is there. Then F A plus R e the power iota theta. You can see that R e the power iota theta is there. Here also R e the power iota theta is there. It will be cancelled out. And what we left only? It will be F A plus R e the power iota theta, and left will be iota only here and d theta only here. other parts are cancelled with this denominator. Now you can see here, if the r is 0, means in the smaller circle C1 we are talking, and Z is the point on the C1. What will happen? If R tend to 0, what will happen? The Z will tend to A, right? This will be the question, right? Or you can say here simply we are putting, you can write this thing also that if R tend to 0, what will happen? So 1 by 2 pi I integral we are taking C1 F A R e the power iota theta, that is cancelled with here, right? This is left only. So it will be integral C1 F A plus R e the power iota theta. Here you can see R tend to 0, right? Because this we have reduced this already. So here we will put R tend to 0. What will happen? It will be 1 by 2 pi I C1, then F A will be left only, right? Iota theta. Here you can see here that iota FA, this one, iota FA, that is constant quantity. So constant quantity, because this integration is back to theta only. So what will happen? We will try to take it out. You can see here. So FA iota 2 pi I, so FAI integral C1 d theta. So what will happen? I will be cancelled out. 2 pi will be cancelled out, because why? Because if you take the integration along the path C1 d theta, because C1 is a circle, so that's why the value of integration d theta will be equal to 2 pi. So 2 by 2 by cancelled, I cancelled here. So what is left only? FA. It means the value of integral will be FA only. So what we have find? We have find that 1 by 2 pi I. So C1 we have calculated, but we have seen from the point equation number 3 that the value of integration, whether the path is C or whether the path is C1, the value of integration will be same. So this is a Cauchy integral formula. So in this way we have calculated that the value of this formula is okay. This we have tried to calculate. This is simple way. Why? Because simply we are choosing this formula, right hand side we are choosing, and we have to prove that this is equal to FA. What the method we have adopted? Simple method is there. Z minus A. We have, because Z minus A, we know that is a occasion of the path of circle, right? So that we have assumed that is equal to R e the power iota theta, that we assume that is a polar form of the radius, basically, right? Polar form of the circle of the radius. You can circle of the this radius of circle, that we have assumed. So in this way, then the simple substitution we have put, and we have proved that FA is equal to this integral. Only one thing we have assumed, that path of the integral, whether C or C1 or any other path, it will be same basically, nothing else, right? Thank you.